Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making white sauce pasta with hot dogs. So the ingredients are featured on the screen right here and they're also in the description. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this. If you like this, comment what you want me to do next. Yeah, enjoy the video. Okay guys, so the first step of doing this recipe is to put your onions onto your casserole, spelled on the screen now, and just mixing it around. Okay guys, so now we've got out the onions and we put hot dogs. So yeah, before you put the hot dogs you need to put some butter in so the pot and the sausages don't stick. So okay guys, after that we took out the sausages and put in the onions back. So yeah, don't forget to put the okay, so now with all the ingredients that are on the screen right now, okay, so we put them all in the pot and we mix them all together. Okay guys, so now we're mixing in the hot dogs, the pasta and the sauce together. Okay, now we are adding the mozzarella cheese and the shredded cheddar together. Okay, so now just leave it to simmer, and after 2 minutes just take off the lid and